Hello everyone, this is CLEMENTE and today we will have an activity about phoneme segmentation. But before we proceed in our activity to teach the skill, let me give some background knowledge for you to know what phoneme segmentation is. Phoneme segmentation is the ability to break words down into individual sounds. For example, a child may break the word sant into its component sounds s, and da. And for our goal, it is to help the students kindergarten or first grade to break up or segment the word, whether it is written or oral. Break, break, and break. We call this activity break, break, and break because we are going to break up and segment the words. So here's the drill. First, I'm going to read the word, and then I'm going to break up each word. And for our first word, we have an egg. Egg. E. G. Egg. Second, cat. K. A. Ta. Cat. Third, dog. D. O. G. Dog. Fourth, match. M. Ch. Match. And for the last one, sand. S. N. The. And it's your turn. You may try it at home. And now, I hope you learned something about one skill under phonemic awareness, and it is the segmenting. And in segmenting, always remember that we were talking about sounds and words, not the letters. Thank you.